Someone woke up at 5 a.m. today.
5:30.
5:30.
4.
Who woke up at 4?
4.
Why? I know. So these two are set in their swimming pool right now, and I forgot to put sunscreen. Actually, I forgot that we were sitting inside and they suddenly wanted to go into the pool now. So I'm just like, it's so hot. I'm just going to apply aloe vera. So they are still in the swimming pool behind me, and I can't show them because I have to adhere to YouTube's guidelines. But I just wanted to mention that the swimming pool sucks big time. It tore during its second usage, and I mean, it just doesn't make sense. And it only comes with one sticker. At least they could have provided 5-6 stickers if they thought this was bound to happen. And that one sticker also did not help, because again today it started leaking, and we just are trying to put the electrical tape to avoid the water leakage and just use it. But it was expensive, more than the normal ones. The normal ones are still pretty good. Like I think the one that we used last year lasted us so long. We still have it. We've just taken it to Gurgaon now, and yeah, but this one doesn't make sense at all. We store from here, but the slide is connected to the pool. Yeah, which doesn't make sense, because at first they're going to use the slide, and they are using the slide. The slide is actually quite fun to use. But I wish I could show you how much fun they are having. Like, I'm actually jealous of them, because it's so hot and humid that even I want to sit, but I can't. Gonu and I are trying to save ourselves under this guava tree.
Maybe not.
Can you see so many small guavas are growing?
अभी क्या हो गया था? पता दो मुझको. हाँ?
भाई फूफू ने अपने फोन के साथ क्या करा?
सीधा फोन ही पानी में डाल दिया होता. अच्छा हुआ कि फूफू को पता चल गया कि फोन मेरी जेब में है.
जेब में नहीं है, मेरे हाथ में अब.
जिम में था.
So for today for lunch we are going to eat kaddu puri, and this is a completely ripe kaddu. कच्चा कद्दू नहीं चाहिए होता इसके लिए?
नहीं, जरूरी नहीं. इसका छिलका उतारना पड़ता है और उसका छिलका नहीं उतारना पड़ता. वो ग्रीन वेजिटेबल में काउंट हो जाता है.
So that one is better वैसे. तो ये क्यों लेके आया?
अब नहीं मिल रहा, पक गए सब.
अच्छा. Here is the kaddu, some fried chili. ये fried chili किस लिए है? And the raw mango chutney. I live for this food. Like, this is what my plate looks like. But the chutney needs its own meal. Like, it's not a part of a meal. It's the main meal for me. I already started eating, but this is the full meal. Oh.
Watching Bahubali.
So seriously, watching Bahubali. Ganu's love for Bollywood movies is definitely more than me. I'm so happy. Someone has come to drink water. Please look at his face. What happened to your forehead? You are going to scratch your head the whole night today. Evening round. And daddy is their fountain. You are their fountain. You are like their fountain. Baby Jay, can we see your haircut, please? Mommy gave young Jay a haircut. This is one side. We only cut from the sides and the back. Back is fine. I think that side is little funny. Yeah, this side has gone a bit wrong, but that's okay. Hi, young Jay. Look at this boy having fun in the largest swimming pool ever. There's water everywhere. Outside, inside, that corner, this over here. In that house you can see they're cleaning. They're gone home. मम्मी सामने पानी निकाल रहे हैं बाहर अपने घर से. There's water everywhere. We were supposed to leave today. Now it's young Jay's turn. Young Jay. Nah, waist deep नहीं है. Come on, young Jay. He's scared. वो देख रहा है ना, उसको हॉर्स बना दिया कि मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. And young Jay is busy making a line with the car. What is this? Daddy is your horse? So he wants to go from here till there. And he'll just climb on Gonu like this. Now you take me. कुछ पेरेंट्स होते हैं जो अपने बच्चों को जाने नहीं देते हैं. हम बोल रहे हैं जाओ जाओ and he doesn't want to go.
That is your horse?
He's already scared of putting his feet in this water.
In one hand, Ultim has to stay, and the other hand, he'll throw the Mitti. What's that? Oh, where is his Ultim? Gone. I think Gurjees don't know how to फेंका होगा.
Daddy's making mud balls and he's enjoying throwing them in the water. ये चल रहा है यहाँ पे. ये और कुछ नहीं तो बॉल थ्रो सीख जाएगा. वाह. Young, you ready? Steady, go! Wow, good job. Yes, Young, what are you trying to do? Swimming. Go swim. Who's telling you not to swim? Go and swim, Young Jay. 이거 뭐야?
먹지 마.
Okay guys, we are going to now enjoy the rain and the weather. And even though we were supposed to leave,
Draco.
we didn't. We are not going to leave today. We leave tomorrow.
It's not we didn't. We cannot.
We cannot. I mean, we want to not take the risk. Anyhow, thank you for watching today's vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed looking at my dad's swimming pool. And yeah. and see you in the next vlog. Bye.